Okay, let's start. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, good. Now, can you please introduce yourself?
Let me
Allow.
allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nam. I am hungry.
Oh,
I am 8 years old. I'm in grade 3. I'm from Vietnam. I like black and yellow. I like chicken.
okay, good. Now, this time, thank you for introducing yourself, ma'am. Now, this time, let's read the days of the week.
Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, what day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Good. What about yesterday? What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Tuesday.
Okay, how about tomorrow? What day will be tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be Thursday.
Tomorrow will be Thursday. That's good. Well, let's talk about the weather.
How's the weather? Sunny.
Weather.
Weather.
Not weathers. Weather.
Weather. Sunny. Rainy. Windy. Cloudy. Snowy. Foggy. Stormy.
Okay, how's the weather?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. That's correct. Okay, now let's move on to the months of the year.
Months of the year. January. Year. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December.
Okay, good job. What month is this month?
It's August.
It's August. That's correct. But can you tell me who is she?
Mother.
Mother. What's her name?
Claire.
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 Okay, what about him?
Father.
Father. What's his name?
Stephen.
Stephen. Okay. What about her?
Sister.
Sister. What's her name?
Emma.
Okay, what about him?
Brother.
Brother. What's his name?
Alex.
Alex. Who are they?
They are parents.
Okay. And what then?
They are children.
Children. All of them.
They are family.
Okay. And who is he?
Friend.
He's a friend. Okay, he's a friend. Okay, next.
Neighbor.
Neighbor. Who is she?
Grandma.
What about him?
Grandpa.
Good.
Uncle.
Uncle.
Aunt.
Aunt.
Grandparents.
Okay.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Cousin.
Cousin. Good job, Mom. Now, here we have here salty and hearty. Now, how do you say or how do you pronounce it, salty? S. Okay. Okay, what about the hard C? K. Good. Can you please read?
Seafood.
Cell phone.
Cell phone. CT. Bicycle. Canada. Color. Cupboard.
Okay, good. Now, today, next will be the reading test. It's about the different kinds of families. Can you please read?
Different types of families. All families are different. There are small families and big families. Some children have one parent. Jacob lives with his dad. They spend a lot of time together. They do fun things.
Good job. Next.
These children live with their mom and dad in the Miller family. There are 2 brothers, a mom and a dad.
Okay, next.
Grandmas and grandpas can live with their children's families. Stella's family is big. There are 6 people. Six people in her family. She likes living with her grandparents. They are fun.
Okay, and that's it, Lam. Good job. You're done with your speaking and reading test. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Teacher Jerry.